Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to delete comments on TikTok. It is quite simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So all you want to do is head over to your TikTok app, then go to all your videos. Once you've selected a video, you can go to your comment section. I'm not sure you'll have 1 or 1,000 comments, but all you want to do is hold down the comment you want to delete. You then have many options here. You can do reply with video, send to friends, add to favorites, pin comment, manage multiple comments, or select delete. So if you click delete, it is completely deleted, as you can see. I'll go and add another comment just to show you some other things. You can do manage multiple comments. So if you want to do this, you can click the little arrow. If you had more than one comment, you could kind of go down and click all the little circles that you want to delete, and go down the bottom left, click delete, and click delete again. So as you can see, it's that easy to delete comments on TikTok. So hope this video did help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. I just want to say thank you for watching to the very